Jessica Motherwell here to demonstrate Grafio. First of all, to use Grafio, I like to create a cast of characters to use in my narrative. Here's my favorite stick figures, but with a few other details you can create some cultural details, and my favorite is scribble people. So here's how I create scribble people. For the exercise I'm going to ask you to do, you'll need to create two characters. Choose stick figures or scribble. So you'll notice that Grafio is very smart. If it detects you're trying to draw a pure circle or a triangle or a square, it will automatically correct that for you and fill it in. So basically I like to make a head, two bodies, and usually I just make one set of feet and duplicate them so the characters look like cousins of each other. Here's some arms, and of course a character's always more colorful with hair. Notice how easy it is to make crazy hairdos. So you can change the color of every object by just tapping beside the letters. And so basically I just fill in any bright colors that will show up. It's always nice to put nice black shoe polish on the shoes as well. And by moving out of pencil mode and choosing the select mode, you can actually collect your whole character and resize it as needed. And then basically I just make a character page. Then we're ready to create a social media size, and I always pick a background of basic gray gradient. It just helps the whites pop out. So there you'll see a pictogram menu, and you can resize pictograms as much as you like. I'm going to make this wide enough so that two characters can sit on the shoulder of this pictogram. And basically I'm going to show two characters suggesting that I do different but contrasting things. So resize one character. I go back to my character page, select the other one, long press, and then I can copy and paste that and size it. And to save a bit of time, I've actually prepared another page with some dialogue on it to make this this video go faster. So here's my graphic page. I'm just going to select my speech bubble with the words already in place. I long press, resize. Grab my other speech bubble, long press, copy, and paste it into place, resize as needed. I'll just do a little bit of fiddles here to make sure that the bubble and the words fit. And I'm going to have to just reduce the size of the words a bit from 25 to 20 so that they fit nicely in the bubbles. So anytime you need to resize font or change font, you just tap on that capital A, little a icon. We'll need a little bit of a title, so I'm calling this A Rock in a Hard Place, where I'm trying to choose between two features, and I'm going to have to actually downsize the size of my title from 50 to 40. Now let's say you'd like to use a real photo and get rid of this pictogram. So I go to the library, I pick up recent photo, and I'm able to actually drop my photo, long press, choose send to back so that my characters sit on top of my photo, and I can change the overall frame of the picture as well as the relative proportion of the face in the picture. And that's the video. So one of my voices says, "You should quit grading for the night and get some sleep for class tomorrow. Finish grading later." And my other voice is saying, "You should finish grading tonight so students have feedback in class tomorrow. You can catch up on your sleep later." I don't know about you, but I always seem to be facing this dilemma of finishing my grading or getting sleep in time for class the next day. So at some point you need to export your Grafio image. You simply export to the camera roll and save as a PNG, which is a see-through image, or a JPEG, which will fit into any of your slideshows. Also, if you wanted to make a really cool animation showing how you built something, you just need to say generate a video and you can show a really cool character build out like this. I hope you've enjoyed using Grafio. Please leave comments. I'm happy to answer any of your questions.